And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
All right, a pretty mild start. You step outside and it feels like spring. Our normal high temperature, mind you, this time of year is about 61, 62. We're already well above that temperature, 67 right now in Lafayette, 66 Galveston, 65 in Winamac. Good morning, Logansport. 63, 67 down in Covington. So warm start. That's because we're still in that warm sector of this storm system, and that's why those storms really died down or really was disorganized last night. Once they hit the state line, it got too far away from the main cold front, and that's where we're going to be watching some storms as this cold front races eastward. Some storms will likely fire along that front later this morning, early afternoon. So once we get past the evening hour or the afternoon, early evening, we'll be severe clear. But right now we are clear. You can see the stars shining bright outside with just a few mid-level clouds, but you can see how the storm's already starting to kind of fire up north of Peoria, northern Illinois. We'll kind of watch the radar and see what happens the rest of the morning, but we should see some of those storms start to fire west of our area by about 8, 9 o'clock, and they'll race eastward. Notice here, 11 o'clock, some showers and storms. Each one of these cells may be strong to severe. We'll watch it closely, but once we get past again lunchtime to about 1, 2 o'clock, we will be in the clear. But the big story today will be the very strong west-southwest winds, gusting up to 35 to 45 miles per hour at times throughout the day. So by 3:30 we should be in the clear, just some partly sunny skies. Then we'll clear out tonight, and then Thursday will feature a lot of sunshine. We'll be in the 40s tomorrow morning, so a big difference when you step outside this time tomorrow morning. And then we'll cloud up a little bit more Thursday afternoon, and then here comes some more showers and storms by about 7 to 9 o'clock in the evening for Thursday, some of which could be on the stronger side, mainly damaging winds, hail could be likely, but these will pass on by. And then by Friday morning may have an isolated sprinkle, but by the morning commute should be clearing out. Should see a sunny afternoon with some mid-high level clouds coming in for Friday. So there are severe risks. We're underneath that level 1 risk where that cold front's going to be moving through, but the stronger level 2 slight risk, far eastern portions of Indiana, that's where they could see the better chance for severe storms as they kind of develop better into a more conducive atmosphere for severe weather. But for us, level 1 risk, marginal, damaging winds, large hail, and isolated weak tornadoes, since we do have enough shear or a rotation in the atmosphere for these storms. Now tomorrow evening for Thursday, damaging winds, large hail, heavy rain will be likely level 1 marginal risk for us, level 2 further south. So the severe portions of that system for tomorrow evening likely stays south of our area. So for today, again, between 9 and about 1 o'clock, we'll see those low chances of storms pass through quickly. It'll be a very windy day, that wind turning a little bit more westerly by the evening. And we'll only see highs in the lower 70s. Tomorrow we'll start off clear, pretty cool compared to this morning, 47, then up to 74 for a high, our last 70-degree day for the next several days ahead. We're going to be pretty cool going into the rest of the work week. 59 on Friday with clearing skies, partly sunny to mostly sunny on Saturday and breezy. 55 with a morning low of 39. And then a couple of cold nights for Saturday night into Sunday night as well, with low temperatures down about mid-30s. We could see some areas of patchy frost, especially Monday morning. And then we'll look like we'll see a little bit more storms there for the middle of next week, but otherwise warming up back to near normal in the 60s, Joe.
Yep, it's that time of the year. We'll start seeing some more of those storms. I like that story from Duke about Work Zone Awareness Week.
Yes.
It's not just the people doing the construction work, but we get those down power lines, and you can start seeing some more of that here a little bit more often as we get into April, May.
Exactly. You know, it's that time of year where we are watching, storm after storm, where severe weather happens weekly on a weekly basis. So we're monitoring this morning closely, also tomorrow night.
Absolutely.
And you should stay weather aware.
Yes, busy time for our meteorologists as well. All right, appreciate it, David.